We've got more Xbox 720 updates in this GameSpot news update. I'm Homer Ibarra. Noted Windows blogger Paul Thurrott has details on Microsoft's recently confirmed next-generation Xbox. In an update to his website today, Thurrott claimed the platform will launch in November at $500. This release window would put the Xbox 720 up against the PlayStation 4, also believed to release during November. A $300 Xbox 720 will also be available, Thurrott said, though this model will require consumers commit to 2 years of Xbox Live Gold at an expected price of $10 a month. If this pricing is accurate, gamers would end up spending $540 overall. Thurrott said Microsoft's May 21st Xbox 720 reveal event will be the first of multiple announcements for the platform. A second event will follow ahead of E3 in June, where the platform's full launch lineup will be revealed, he said. Crytek's Kinect game Rise and a new Forza title, among others, are reportedly part of the Xbox 720's launch lineup. A third developer-centric event will take place during the Build conference in San Francisco in late June, Thurrott said. Concerning the Xbox 720's architecture and specifications, Thurrott understands that the platform is based on the core version of Windows 8. Quote, this suggests a common apps platform, or at least one that is similar to that used by Windows 8, he said, and reiterated that the system will require an internet connection to function. This feature, quote, isn't as draconian as many may seem to believe, he said. For more on the Xbox 720, tune in to GameSpot.com.